This is Tony with Olympic View Development. It's kind of a nice day today. Yeah, it's kind of a nice day. It's been a nice day. We've had so much snow and rain. And since it was kind of a nice day, I've been having the old Caterpillar D2 on my mind. It's one of the projects that I've been wanting to rebuild. So I'm in the first stage of, see, it's sat for so long, so it's frozen. The engine froze. So I'm in the first stage of kind of getting in here, seeing what these pistons look like. So I'm gonna get this head off of here and we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. And this is the first part of the D2 project. Now this project might take 6 months, who knows, but I would like it to take a lot faster than that. But given that I have so many other things to do, remodeling the house and everything, there's no telling how long this is gonna take. But this will be the first part here, and this is where it starts. Just took the cover off, took the tarp off, and took a couple of bolts off, took the rocker arms off, and that's where I'm starting. And I'll let you see the progress with that.